Are you ready? Okay, go. So now I'm going to teach you how to use this Pittsburgh machine. Okay? So this is what we use also of making the ductwork. If you wanted to make a square duct system, like what you see on the board right there. You see that? That's the duct system. How to make that box? This is what we use, and this one create a Pittsburgh lock. Okay? So how to operate this is just turn on to the right and then run this. Okay. Another one. Okay, now look, I need you to see, guys, the mark that I made. You see that mark right there in the bottom?
Oh yeah.
See? So meaning this is the corner. Okay, so now, and it needs to have a lock at the end, so you need to bend this one 90 degrees. And then you're gonna bend this one also 90 degrees. Now I need to mark this one quick so that they have the same mark. Just copy this. So we need to bend, and we need to bend this one 90 degrees also for us to make a square. All right, now, so we got this two piece over here. So all you need to do is connect these two together like this. You put this one like this and the other one. You see that?
Yeah.
And all you need to do is just put this one in the corner, and then you use this rubber mallet to hit it like this. Now, you want it to tighten it up. Making sure there's no gap. And when you hit it, making sure you're not gonna hit the other piece of metal, okay? Bend a little bit. That's it. Now, you're gonna flip the other side and do exactly what you did right here. Now use this to lock it. Okay, just don't hit it too hard, because if you hit it too hard, this one's gonna bend. Okay, because this is small. But for the big one, you don't have problem. Okay, so now you have this. Next one, you lock it. That's how you make the duct. Okay, so this is what we call the Pittsburgh lock. Now this is how it looks like. From this, you lay out a total of what? 1 in 1 port. The snap lock, you need 1.5. Okay? To create this, you need to lay out. All total of this is what? 1.5. This one is 1 1/4. Some of the machine, they make 1.5 too. But this one is only 1 1/4. Are we clear? So this is what you guys gonna do. So I made a demonstration. So each and every one of you can make this. That's what is your task. You still have 30 minutes to do it. Okay? Alright? It's good.
It's good. It's perfect. You don't like it?